Welcome to Divorce at Altitude, a podcast on Colorado family law. I'm Ryan Kalamaya. Each week, along with my business partner and co host, Amy Goscha, or an expert, we discuss a particular topic related to divorce or co parenting in Colorado. In addition, we have created a short series of lessons that will take you through the legal process of divorce and answer your questions, from simple to complex. Divorce isn't easy. The end of a marriage, especially when children are involved, brings a great deal of loss and change. We hope these practical tips and insights will help you on your journey to a new and better life. Let's talk about teenagers. Teenagers are going to use the family as a base of support and guidance, and they need parental nurturing and oversight. Your plan should allow both parents to be involved in your teenagers' life. Teenagers prefer to spend time with friends and peers instead of the family. Your plan should allow your teenager to have relationships and spend times with their friends. Teenagers can get very busy with activities, jobs, friends, and sports as they get older. How are you going to address that in your parenting plan? Your teenagers are going to want independence and control over their own schedule, but do you have them? Do you give them the power to dictate exactly when and where they're going to be? Is that something that's appropriate for a 13-year-old or even a 17-year-old? A couple differences between the younger kids is the parents are going to want to communicate with each other about a teenager's curfew, driving, dating to make sure that they're fairly consistent. You may want to have a provision in your plan about how you will communicate about those particular issues as they relate to your teenager. One final thing to note for teenagers is that they're developing their own personal identity within the rules and regulations of society, school, and friends. Is counseling appropriate for your child? They're going through a lot just on their own. And when you throw in a divorce, it may be a good idea to consider counseling. But people have a difference of opinion as to whether or not that is going to be helpful for their teenager. Something you need to think about as you develop a parenting plan for a teenager. Thanks for listening or watching this short lesson on the Divorce at Altitude podcast. If you found this helpful, please leave a review or share with a friend. It does help for others that are going through or thinking about a divorce in Colorado. If you want to find out more information, please visit kalamaya.law or divorceataltitude.com, and that's KALAMAYA.law. Remember, this is educational information. It's not intended to be legal advice. Please consult with an attorney about the particulars of your case. We're happy to answer questions. Feel free to give us a call at 970-315-2365.